everybody, today we're going to make a Pokemon Go augmented reality camera. But first we're going to make a new project, so I've already done this. Then we're going to File, Build Settings and change our platform to Android. This way we can build an Android application. Then we're going to Edit, Project Settings, Player. Then click on Resolution and Presentation, change the default orientation to Portrait, and then proceed to change the bundle identifier to your own string. Most of the time it's com.yourowname, the project name, but you can call it whatever you want. Okay, so then we're going to make a script, call it Gyro camera. Then we're going to Gyro camera script in monodevelop. But first what we're going to do is we create two variables, one with the type gyroscope and the other with bool. So private gyroscope gyro and private bool gyro supported. Okay, then we're going to tell what gyro is. So gyro is input, a gyro. Gyro is a other word for gyroscope. It's something in your phone that calculates the rotation of your phone. So if you have your phone like flat, the rotation is 0, for example. I'm not sure about that though. Okay, and before we do the gyros input with gyro, we're going to say gyro supported is system info dot supports the gyro scope. Okay, then we're going to make an if statement, if gyro supported. Then between the brackets we're going to say gyro is input.gyro. So yeah, and then after that we're going to say gyro that enabled is true. Okay, so once you've done that, we're going to the update function, and here we're going to say transform.rotation is gyro.attitude. Okay, so once we've done that, we will go to Unity. We're going to attach this script to the main camera. I've already done this. And then we're going to add another object so we can check if the gyro cam works. So I've already done that. I added the cube and rotated it a little bit. It doesn't matter what kind of object, it's just for testing purposes. Okay, so now we will build and run this. Once you have the app installed, open it. As you can see, the camera is moving according to the phone's rotation. However, the rotation is not right, as you can tell, because if you have to hold the phone, it doesn't work as we want it to. So we go back to Unity to fix this problem. Okay, so we are back in Unity. We'll go to our gyrocam script and we're going to add another private variable. We'll call it private quaternion rod fix. And then between the if statement and our gyro supported, we'll create a new parent object called GameObject camParent. Just like that. Then we're going to set the position of our camParent to the position of this transform. And then we're going to set the parent of our transform to camParent. So what we've done now is we made a parent object. We set the position of our parent object to the same position as ours, and then we set the parent of transform to cam parent. Okay, so in our Gyro supporter we will now add cam parent. The transform, the rotation is quaternion, the Euler 90f, 180f, and 0f. Okay, and then what fix is new quaternion 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so once we've done that, we will go to our update function. We will change the transform.rotation to transform.local rotation, and we'll change the gyro.attitude to gyro.attitude times rotation fix. So once we've done that, we'll go back to Unity and we're going to build it again to see how it looks on our phone now. So we're back on our phone and we can tell the rotation is fixed, but the object is gone. That's because our gyroscope is a north position and our north position is somewhere there. So we will fix this by a simple way. It's not the most efficient way, but this way we don't screw up the rotation. Okay, so we'll go back to Unity to fix that. So once we are back in Unity, we're going to change a few things in our editor. First, we're going to our camera, change our Z position to 0 and our cube Z position to 10. This way our camera and our cube moved 10 units on our Z. Then we'll add a new empty object, call this world. Make sure the position of our world object is set to 0. And then we're going to set the cube as the child of world. Okay, so once you've done it, go back to our script. Add two variables, private transform world object and private float start y. Above world object we'll add serialized field, so we can edit this world object in our editor. Then we will make a new function called void reset gyro rotation, and in our reset gyro rotation we'll say start y is equal to transform the Euler angles dot y, and then world object dot rotation is quaternion dot Euler 0f start y 0f. Okay, then in our update we will say if gyro supported and start y is equal to 0, then call our function reset gyro rotation. Okay, so once you've done this, go back to the Unity editor, wait till the script has been parsed, and then put our world in the transform box from gyro camera. Okay, so once you've done this, build this. It's done with building. Open the app again, and as you can see, our object is right there. So we can rotate around it. Yeah, it's not really good right now. Okay, let me close the app and start it again. It's still there. It has a bit of an offset, but you can fix this probably. You will never get it precisely, but it's there, it's in front of us, and that's what it's about. Okay, so now the only thing we have to add is a fake shadow and our camera as a background, but I will leave that for part 2. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.